Totally falling behind right now. The rest of them have left me. I stopped to take some pictures. If you can hear me, it's really windy. Woo. What, buddy? Yeah, hey. We're gonna go in our car and they're gonna follow us. You ready? Yeah? Alright, let's go. Their house is probably unlocked.
I locked it.
We're in the car up here. Oh, I left my sunglasses.
Grandpa's leading the way.
He is, because he knows where to go. That's a bit.
Grandma, Mommy, there used to be a rock star living in that house right in front of us.
That's what I told her.
Yeah.
Hey, Waz, you ready? I don't know. Yeah. Grandma and Grandpa coming too. You got your camera? Cool. Good. So beautiful out here. Should be good. So now we just need to cross the dam. Kids are going ahead with Grandpa. You ducking? Jan, you can go under, right? Just keep walking straight. You're good. Yeah. All right. Let's keep going. Woo. So we're getting close. Should be right down over there. Nora and Graham are only walking with Grandpa. That's all who they want to walk with, which is really cute. He's been holding their hands the whole way. Check us out. Nora! Hi! Hey Graham, hold on. Wait, buddy. Hey, here's a step. Step down. Woo! Nora, you guys doing good? All right. Man, it's raging. You good, bud? Woo! Yeah, I don't know that they allow kayaking here. Man, look at this. Man, it's raging. Did you say we go down and we get a better view of it?
God, I wish you could right here.
Oh yeah, it'd be great. Definitely got to come back when the water's lower. My father-in-law says that you can usually like walk across to get a better vantage point. So anyway, good time, cool waterfall. Hopefully we got some good pictures, and time to head back. catching up to him now. And you're back. Come on. And coming up on the gate. And let's do a little duck. Uh-oh. That was a fail on my part. Hey, you did. You found a baby waterfall that you can chuck rocks into. Even better. Holy cow. Flower City. You got yours look a little battle hardened, Graham. Alright guys, so now we're gonna head over to a lake or river area that the kids can maybe play in. But it might be interesting because it may have water over the bridge we've got to go over. So let's see what's happening. Yep. Graham, you ready? Leave your car here.
Here we got a trail, bicycle trail goes all the way. Here's Strong City. It goes over here under the interstate Highway 50 then through to that national park.
Wow.
I want to go to the national park.
What? Hey, we'll bring our bikes up here and we'll ride that sometime. Once you're nailing like an actual bike, we'll bring our bikes up here, like mine. Graham, you guys look. Walking on the bridge. I'm thinking the dog is just trying to chase itself. You see your reflection? You trying to get your reflection? Hey, that was a good time, wasn't it? We already saw waterfall number 2. This was the second waterfall we've seen.
It wasn't a waterfall.
That one was the one that we saw a little bit ago. This is a river. This is a rapid. That's what it looks like. Good time going. Now it's time to get some food and hang out and then head back home. Hey, you guys good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool. Me too. Time to eat. We ordered food from Grand Central, which is people come from hours away to eat there. It's good food. Now it's time to hang out. Hey guys, so good time hanging out with the folks, with my in-laws up in Cottonwood Falls, checking out the second of the waterfalls in Kansas. It was a lot of fun. The river was pretty cool. So now we are headed home in my father-in-law's truck because we're working on house stuff this weekend. And yeah, me in a truck, it's a pretty funny deal. This thing's a total trip to drive. Anyway, we'll see. Josie's checking on me. I can't keep up with her. Anyway, so you guys hopefully enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more videos as we kind of ramp up doing this more frequently. And yeah, have a good night. We'll see you on the next adventure.